A wonderful good morning to HM sir, teachers and my dear friends. Firstly, I would like to thank our beloved HM sir and teachers, especially maths teachers. Thank you, sirs. Our HM sir had worked a lot for me. Thank you so much, sir. I never forgot your help. Now let's start our class. This is presented by Vedashree Kasturi. So my topic is applications of trigonometry. Before going to that, we need to know what is a trigonometry. So remember that trigonometry is deals with right angle triangle and relationship between sides and angles. Okay, friends. Two men on either side of a temple of 30-meter height, observing its top at an angles of elevation 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the distance between the two men. Here A is the position of one person and C is the position of other person. They are observing the top of the temple, which is height 30 meters. Here BD is the temple. A person from A position is observing the temple with an angle of elevation 30 degrees. Here angle A is 30 degrees. And next, the other person also observing the temple with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. Now they are asked to find the distance between the two men. It means from A to C. We need to find the length of A to C. Let us assume A to D is X and DC is Y. The height of the temple is 30 meters. First elevation is 30 degrees and second elevation is 60 degrees. From the now we take first triangle, that is BAD. For the angle A, BD is the opposite and AD is the adjacent. Here also we take tan 30. Tan 30 is equals to BD by AD. So tan 30 1 by root 3. Yes, 1 by root 3 is equals to what is the height of the temple? BD?
30.
30 by, they didn't give AD length, so we assumed it is a x. So we written x. 1 by root 3 is equals to 30 by x. Now this x, now here we need to multiply. Here x is equals to 30 into root 3, 30 root 3. We got the distance of AD. Now let's find the distance of CD. In the triangle BDC, again here angle is at C. For this angle, BD is the opposite side and CD is the adjacent side. So we take tan 60. Here tan 60 is equals to BD by CD. Now tan 60 is equals to root 3. Yes, root 3 is equals to, here BD height is 30. We written 30 and DC is, we assumed it is Y. So I wrote here Y. Root 3 is equals to 30 by Y. Now send this Y to LHS and root 3 to RHS. We get Y is equals to 30 by root 3. Here we need to do rationalization. So we get 30 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Yes. 30 into root 3, how much?
30 root 3.
Yes. Root 3 into root 3?
3.
Yes. 30 root 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are, it is cancelled. And we
Root
got
3.
10 root 3. Here, we first they asked to find the AC length. So, total AC is equals to AD plus
AD
DC.
plus DC.
Yes, it is X plus Y. First, we got the X value is 30 by root 3 plus here Y value is 30 by root 3. Now, next we do LCM. We get 30 root 3 into root 3 is 30 into 3, 90.
90.
90 plus 30 is 120. Now 120 by root 3. Here we need to rationalize this. So 120 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. It means 120 into root 3 is 120 root 3.
Root
Yes. By root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 ones are 3 14s are. It remains 40 root 3. Finally, we find the distance of the both persons, that is 40 root 3 meters. Did you got it, friends?
Yes, Vedasri, we got
Yes,
it.
yes.
We got it.
Yes, yes, we got.
A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. Ramaya standing edge, the top of the tower, observing a car at an angle of depression 30 degrees. The car is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Now find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. From this point, here CD is the tower, height of the tower, and on the position D, Ramaya is standing and observing a car which is at position A with the angle of depression 30 degrees. So tell me, friends, angle of where is angle of depression?
Near
It
D.
D.
At D.
We should not tell it is D. It is angle PDA. Okay, friends. Now the car is moving with a uniform speed. So after 6 seconds, the car came from A position to B position. Again, the Ramaya is observing the car with an angle of depression 60 degrees. Now they ask to find the time taken by a car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Here we have only the angle of depressions, that is 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Now this is in this PDA is Z shape. So when Z shape angles are always equal, if here 30 degrees, then here also 30 degrees. And this is also a Z shape. So if here 60 degrees, here also 60 degrees. Did you got it, friends?
Yes, we got it.
Now, the length of AB is x. It is the distance of a car which moved from A position to B position. The height of the tower is CD. We taken h meters. The remaining distance to be traveled by the car BC is y meters. Here, AC is equals to AB plus BC. It is x plus y. And here, angle PDA is equals to angle DAB is equals to 30 degrees. I have already told these are Z angles. So here, first we take triangle BCD. For in this triangle, the angle at B 60 degrees. For this angle, CD is the opposite and BC is the adjacent. So here also we take tan. Tan 60 is equal to
Root 3.
yes CD by BC. We get tan 60 is equals to root 3 is equals to CD length is h and BC length is y. Root 3 is equals to h by y. Now send this y, which is a denominator. When it goes to LHS, it gets to numerator. So h is equals to root 3y. Now we take other triangle that is ACD. It is a large triangle. For this angle, again CD is the opposite and AC is the adjacent. So here we take tan 30 is equals to CD by AC. Now tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3 is equals to CD, it is given h, and AC is equals to x plus y because AC is equals to AB plus BC. So we get x plus y. Now send x plus y to LHS. So it comes to numerator. H is equals to x plus y by root 3. Here in the first equation, we got h is equals to root 3y. In the second equation, we got h is equals to x plus y root 3. So in this both, these are equals to h. So this root 3y and x plus y by root 3 will also equal. When LHS are equal, RHS should be equal. Do you understand, friends? I repeat once again.
Yes, we understood it.
I understood.
From the 1 and 2 equations, we get x plus y by root 3 is equals to root 3y. Now, send this root 3 to RHS. It get root 3 into root 3, 3. So, 3y we get. X plus y is equals to 3y. Now, this plus y you send to RHS, it gets minus y. RHS, it gets minus y. Here, x is equals to 3x minus y, it is 2y. Then send this 2 to LHS, it becomes y is equals to x by 2. Here, x is a first distance and y is a second distance. So, x is a distance. Y is a distance which is off to x. It means first x AB ఎంతైతే మూవ్ అయిందో సెకండ్ టైం ఆఫ్ distance మూవ్ అయిండు. అంటే y is equals to x by 2 we got. To time taken to travel x meters is 6 seconds. So time taken to travel distance of y meters is how much?
X by 2.
X by 2.
It is 6 by 2, that is 3 seconds.
Second.
Do you got, friends?
Yes, Vedasri.
Here I will repeat once again. Here the y distance is half to the x distance. It means y is equals to x by 2. So assume that x is equals to 14 meters. Then y is equals to how much?
7.
It is 7 meters. 7 meters. See friends, y is equals to half to the x distance. It means if x is 2, then y is 1. Do you got it, friends?
Yes.
Got it. Yes.
If it take to travel 2 meters, he takes 6 seconds. To travel 1 meter, how many seconds he need?
3 seconds.
3 seconds. Yes, it is correct. So the y, to travel the y distance, he take 3 seconds. Do you got, friends?
Yes, we got.
Yes, we got it.
Now I am moving to next question. A statue stands on the top of 2-meter tall pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the tree top of the statue is 60 degrees. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Now they ask you to find the height of the statue. Here, BD is the pedestal, which is height 2 meters. And top of the pedestal we have a statue that is height h. And from top of the pedestal is from the position C, one person is observing the top of the pedestal with an angle of 45 degrees, and again he is also observing the top of the statue with an angle 60 degrees. Now we take a triangle BDC. Here it is a triangle BDC. For it is angle here 45 degrees. For this angle, this BD is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. So here we take tan. So tan 45 is equals to
1.
yes, tan 45 is equals to 1, and tan 45 is equals to dB by BC. Here tan 45 1 is equals to DC height of
X
pedestal
equals to 2.
2. This is x. Cross multiply, we get x is equals to 2. This is our first equation. Next, we take big triangle that is ABC. Here it is a ABC triangle. 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 Here it is a ABC tri The angle is at C, that is 60 degrees. For this angle, AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. So here also we take tan. Tan 60 is equals to AB by
Root 3.
what is tan 60 by?
Root 3.
Root 3.
Yes, it is root 3. Root 3 is equals to
Plus 2.
root 3 is equals to AB is equals to AD plus BD. It is H plus 2. Here we written H plus 2 by BC we got
2x is equals to 2.
2. Yes, here BC x we got 2 from the first equation. We written 2 here. Now next, in the denominator we have 2. Send to this side. It gets
2 into
2 root
root
3.
3.
Yes, 2 root 3. 2 root 3 and here h plus 2 send to left side. It gets minus 2. Yes, h is equals to 2 root 3 minus 2. Here 2 is common, so we taken 2 common, root 3 minus 1. Here we substitute the value of root 3, that is 1.732. Here h is equals to 2 into 1.732 minus 1. Now we get h is equals to 2 into 1.732 minus 1. How much?
0.732.
732.
Yes. 2 into 0.732 is equals to 1.464 meters. Yes, finally got the height of the statue, that is 1.464 meters.